From the downright hideous pieces of the latest Sezane collection, I have two new pieces that worth the investment and that I'm heading into my wardrobe. So in today's video you can expect a deep review on these two items. I will talk about fabric, design, composition, where these pieces are made, quality in general. And in the end of today's video you will also have a complete lookbook with 3 to 4 outfits for each piece, in which I will also include accessories and complements so that you have the complete outfits that you can use as inspiration. Let's start. The first piece that I wanted to talk, it's what I'm wearing right now, the Regine Jacket. I love this kind of pieces in leather. You may say that this is now on trend. It's true, it's now on trend. But on the other hand, these pieces are always a classic. If you like it and if it's your style, I think it's worth the investment, as you will be able to wear these pieces on repeat. They are in real leather, so they stand the test of time beautifully. The Regine Jacket is described as burgundy in the website, and I think the color is accurate. This is indeed a deep red wine, almost kind of maroon burgundy. Very, very beautiful. I think it's a neutral tone, not too warm nor too cool. This is made in the 100% smooth lamb leather. Let me just stand it so that you can see. So this is a kind of straight fit. It has these sides like a shirt. This is called jacket, but it's also like a overshirt. You can definitely style it in several different ways. It has a classic collar, like a shirt collar, 2 front pockets at the chest area. On the cuffs it has 1 button. It closes also with buttons at the front. Amazing quality. As you see, they sew another button inside to kind of reinforce these buttons and not ruin the leather. It is not lined, as you see. It's very, very soft. It's a smooth lamb leather, very soft, very comfortable. It's made in India, just for reference and if you want to know. Let's talk about size, and I love these kind of shirts, overshirts, more on the oversized side, so that I can play a little bit more with all other pieces in my wardrobe. In winter and in fall I can wear this shirt over a knitted jumper and it will fit. I went 2 sizes up, so my regular size and usual size in Sezane is 38, European 38, US 6. I opted for the European 42, US 10. Nonetheless, I just love these. The sleeves are not too long on me. As you can see, the sleeves are great and I do have long legs and long arms. So maybe I will keep this size. If you want, you also have the matching trousers. I didn't buy the trousers. I couldn't justify adding another pair of trousers just to match this shirt. The next piece is the Richie Coat. I think you're definitely going to see it better in the lookbook because it's long. So the Richie Coat, it's made in 100% wool, so the outer fabric. It's kind of not soft. It's more on the itchy and rough side, but it's bearable. The body of the jacket is lined with a faux sheepskin effect. Actually, this is made in polyester, 100% polyester, and the sleeves are quilted and lined with a viscose and acetate fabric. In general, all very comfortable. It closes with a front zip with a placket, and then it closes with these metal studs. It's amazing to keep us warm. The end of the cuffs has this elastic band, so it is like that, kind of a bomber jacket, and at the bottom it has also this kind of elastic band. I went for size 40 and maybe I should have gone for size 38 because this is very, very long. Nonetheless, if I had size down, the sleeves would be too short for me. So bear in mind, if you are more on the petite side, this jacket is very, very long. It has this kind of side oblique pockets that closes also with a stud, metal stud. I'm still thinking if I will keep this jacket, as I do love the pattern. Nonetheless, the design of the jacket is more modern, so more trendy. If you want, you also have the matching mini skirt available. I just went for the coat. This is also a versatile coat that can be styled with plenty of colors. This one is made in Romania, just for reference and for those of you who want to know. So now is the time to watch the lookbook. For this first outfit, I decided to go more casually, casual chic, as I'm wearing a pair of denim jeans. Kind of an arch tapered design, and they are more on the cropped side. I opted for a pair of ankle boots. These are from Tommy Hilfiger. They are kind more of on the pointy toe, and so they are very elegant and will elongate our legs. I'm wearing the Regine Jacket only over a tank top. This one is in wool, and to match my boots I opted for this bag in this braided leather and my belt in suede. I'm ready. I'm loving the shirt. Just to try and wear the Richie Coat on top of this outfit. So I tried to throw on top the Richie Coat over this outfit, and I think it works as well. The Richie Coat is very long, so it's longer than a usual blazer. It is kind of mid-thigh. Let's just move on the lookbook and do the second outfit with the Regine Jacket. This time I went for a mini skirt. It's also from Sezane. I decided to keep the same wool top. I'm wearing the Regine shirt like a jacket, so completely loose over this outfit. I think this is great to wear like a jacket, like kind of a blazer. I think this size is perfect. So I went for a pair of tights in Vinacia. These are from Calcedonia. I will leave the links in the description box below as always. My shoes are also in burgundy. They have a 1-inch kitten heel, very comfortable. To complete this outfit, I went for this burgundy bag. This is kind of more an elevated outfit. I can wear this outfit for a dinner out with my husband, for instance. So this outfit I wanted to pair burgundy with blue. Just love this combination. I think burgundy is indeed a really versatile color, and so I opted to wear my tomboy striped shirt in blue and white stripes. It also has a thin camel stripe. In this case I opted for a pair of straight denim jeans in a lighter wash. Instead of slingbacks, a pair of ankle boots work as well. I will swap in a minute so that you can see. Try to show also a nice part of the undershirt. I also placed the collar up, and I kind of tucked in this part and leave it like that because this is just my style. So feminine shoes and masculine pieces. I think this is also a nice outfit. I love it. My Milo bag in ecru, perfect in this outfit. It will be more light for the daytime. for a pair of ankle boots. A pair of ankle length straight denim jeans are perfect to wear with either slingbacks, ankle boots. These will show more of your footwear, and I think it's really flattering, really French. The more I'm styling the Regine Jacket, the more I love it. It's definitely a keeper. So versatile, so beautiful. The perfect layer, even for spring, for autumn. Another way to style this jacket, now in a more casual way. I'm wearing the Regine Jacket over my sweatshirt. This sweatshirt is one of the first pieces I bought from Sezane, maybe 4 years ago. I kept the same pair of denim jeans with the same pair of ankle boots, but I'm going to switch to another pair. For this outfit you can opt for any bag you want. This one in camel suede, as I'm swapped for a pair of ankle boots in this color. And I'm going to be wearing these ones. They are also from Sezane, again very old. You can leave it like that, or kind of fold one time the hem of your denim jeans. Both ways work. Wear it according to your preference. And again, the suede bag in camel that kind of matches all these colors together and tie everything together. You can also wear a pair of sneakers. I have these ones. These will be also perfect here. Let me just change. So plenty of options depending on what you wear. If you don't wear heels, you can also perfectly wear this outfit with a pair of sneakers. In this case I went for a dark camel to match my bag, and the laces are in beige. That kind of matches the sweatshirt as well. So everything ties together. And this is very, very casual. Throw a coat, a quilted coat, depending on the weather where you live, and you're ready. Now let's move on to the Richie Coat and do 3 to 4 outfits. And I decided to wear the Maurice jumper under. So this is the yak wool sweaters. Just love these jumpers. Basics in our wardrobes. I went for a pair of balloon style black denim jeans. You can leave your sweater like that, but if you want you can tuck one side like that to kind of give it a more oblique shape and show more of your leg. You could also do a front tuck. This way, from the front part it shows more of your legs, and it will make you look taller. I went for a pair of ankle boots in black. These are kind of sock boots. As I'm wearing kind of the black bottom part, I will go for a black leather bag.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Another outfit with the Richie Coat. This time I went for full leather leggings in green, my Theodora knee-high boots in leather, also from Sezane, my Lauren jumper in yak wool, and the Richie Coat on top. The lining, this sheep effect, is kind of the same shade of the Lauren sweater, so I think it's very, very flattering. I think this is also a nice outfit, very warm. The knee-high boots will also warm up your legs a lot, and this jacket with this padding and the quilted sleeves is also really warm. A nice outfit for a really crispy, cold winter day that we still have ahead until mid-March at least. So what do you think? This is something you would wear? Let me know your opinions in the comments below, please. I just love to hear from you. Your comments are very, very important. last but not least, the outfit with the dark chocolate brown leather trousers. I'm wearing the Simone jumper in this bright green. I think it's the perfect match to this Richie Coat as well. The green is not the same exact shade, it is also a perfect match. I'm wearing my suede dark brown boots, and I also decided to wear my belt in this chocolate suede. And as you can see, the Richie Coat looks amazing with these leather trousers in dark brown, but you could also opt for another shade of brown, for instance mocha mousse. So if you have any kind of trousers or skirt in mocha mousse is the color Pantone chose for 2025, so it will also look amazing with the Richie Coat because this checked pattern has this brown hue in it, so it will be the perfect match. In this video here on the side I talk about mocha mousse and the different ways you can style this beautiful hue. I'll see you there. Bye bye!